Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by locking in the precise YouTube link you want to share, video, playlist, channel, or a timestamp start. Once done, pick a QR generator that outputs PNG or SVG at high resolution and supports dynamic QR if you want traceable scans. Make sure the link uses HTTPS and test it in a browser. Now choose the scan action: direct play, subscribe prompt, or a timestamp. Preparing these details up front prevents rework later and keeps scans reliable. Next, paste your validated YouTube URL into the QR tool and choose dynamic mode if you want to change the destination later or collect scan metrics. Once inserted, customize visual options. Increase margin, adjust contrast, set minimum size for print, and add a small logo only if it doesn't obscure critical data. Download both PNG and SVG for flexibility. Then immediately test on 3 different devices and scan apps to confirm the code opens the intended YouTube content without redirect errors. Finally, deploy your QR in the final medium. Print, slide, or video overlay, position it for clear sight lines, and ensure it's at least twice the minimum readable size for expected scan distance. Once live, monitor scans through your dynamic QR dashboard to measure engagement and change the target when needed without reprinting. If viewers report failures, first verify the URL, then check contrast, quiet zone, and physical damage. Try another reader app. That troubleshooting step usually resolves 90% of issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.